let's play with cards. You can play this alone or in groups of 5 or less or more. So we have here the numbers always. We mix the cards. And then you also decide what's the multiplicator. So that's the multiplicator is, let's say 2. And the first one who says the result has win. 6. Okay, well, here you receive the card. Also 6. Another one. 4. Okay, here again. 20. Okay, it's another one. Then we can let's try with 3. 12. Okay, it's you win. 6. No, 8. Okay, it's the one on. Okay. 12 again, and so on. So the child who has the most of the cards, that child wins the chocolate. See you.